Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela, and today we are going to do a really exciting video. It is going to be a Firmoo, don't know how to pronounce their name, glasses review. If you didn't know, I actually do wear glasses. I have been using contacts for the last year or so, but before then I was actually always wearing glasses, especially for like during the classroom or when I drive. I definitely have to wear glasses. I am nearsighted, so I can't see things that are far away, so I definitely do need to wear glasses, but contacts has been working for me, obviously. But I do really love the look of glasses, and Firmoo reached out to me to see if I wanted to test out a new pair of glasses from them. And to be honest, I've gotten them in less than maybe a week, and they are prescription. They are my Pacific prescription, and I'm obsessed with them. I absolutely love them. The quality is on point, the shipping was great, and it comes in a really sturdy case, so that way I can throw it in my purse or my backpack and I'm good to go for the rest of the day. So what is Firmoo is probably what you're wondering. It's basically an online glasses website. So what you'll do is you'll go on the website, and they do have sunglasses and regular glasses, and you can get them prescription or non-prescription. So if you don't need prescription like me, you just want a cute pair of glasses, then by all means you can do that. They're really affordable and really durable. All the prices I was looking at were less than $30. Most of them were in the 20 to 25 range, and they have where you can actually test on the glasses, so you can upload a photo of yourself and test out the glasses on your face shape and see if they look good, which is what I did, and it ended up being really well. They also have a section where you can determine what frame size and frame and width of the glasses, which is really nice. So that way you make sure that your glasses actually line up with your eyes and your pupils, and they're not off-centered basically. So it does tell you all that. It tells you the width, how big the glasses are, so you basically know exactly what you're getting way beforehand. And of course you can check out other YouTube videos and see different frames that are like the most popular. They do have on the website where it says like hot or not, and whether those glasses are basically really popular. I don't think mine was in the hot section, but they really look like my old glasses that I accidentally broke a while ago, and those were like $100 frames plus the glasses. And so this pair I think only cost me like 25 bucks if I was paying for it out of pocket. But yeah, so let me actually show you the glasses because I haven't even done that yet. Alright, so they come in this little case. It does come with this little case too, but I don't ever use these except for like my actual sunglasses. These are just too valuable to put those. It does come with this art case that has like a little map, and it has embossed the Firmoo logo, and the two O's is really cute. It looks like little glasses, which is really cute. And then you open them up, and this is what my pair looks like. Sorry if you can see the ring light. Of course I can't really help that. So they do come with this little sleeve with some information on it. So this is my pair. Hopefully I can show you. Of course I'll enter some pictures so you get a better angle, so I'm not blinding you with my ring light. But they are a basic square glasses with a turtle torus, whatever it's called, frame. And they do, like I said, they do have my prescription. They feel really sturdy. I'm really excited to wear them. So this is what they look on. So for my shape, I have a very ovalish shape. So these are, they don't accentuate my face, they actually really complement them, and they're not too big, which I really appreciate. So I'm not going to blind you with these because it's going to catch all the glares on that ring light. But my final thoughts on those, they came in about a week or so. I think maybe a week and a half between processing and getting them customized for my eye shapes and stuff. It came in a week, super quick. It was so easy to use on the website. Everything is laid out really nicely. You get different color options for the frames. I will definitely be picking out more frames because I definitely enjoy wearing sunglasses, and so far when I've been using those, they actually don't give me a headache, which is really nice. One of my main problems is actually getting a headache from my temples because them being too tight, and those are literally perfect, which is so strange because I ordered them online, but they are literally perfect and they fit perfect. Like, I don't have any complaints about them, so I'm really excited to wear those in class and like when I'm driving without my contacts, because contacts can get really expensive. I do use a two-week contact, so I don't have to like switch them out every day, but it's pretty expensive, and those are like 25 bucks, so I would definitely be getting me a couple more pairs. I'm really excited for them. If you are a glasses wearer, I highly recommend Firmoo. Like I said, they come in about a week and a half or so. And yeah, I might even check out their sunglass range. They also have sunglasses that you can put your prescription in, so that way when you're driving in the sun or something like that, you're not having to like not be able to see because you don't have your regular lenses or your contacts in the sun, which is really nice. To have some really cool aviators, and they also have like a trendy section. That way if you want a more trendy look on a budget, they also have that, which is really nice. I think that's all I have to say. They're affordable, they're cheap, easy to use. Customer service is incredibly on point. If you get your glasses and they are not the right prescription or they don't fit your face shape, Firmoo will work with you on getting that fixed and making sure that your experience is really wonderful, which is something I really appreciate, especially when you're ordering such as like glasses online, which is just so hard and unreasonable, you would think, but actually is really enjoyable. And it did take me a couple days to figure out what frame I want to get, because there's so many options, so many different styles. Like, there was too many variety, which is not a big problem, but it did take me a couple days to figure out what kind I wanted to get. Thankfully I picked the one I have. I will leave a link down below if you want to get my exact same pair. I highly recommend them. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. If you guys have any questions about Firmoo or things like that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely get back to you and answer them. As always, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know what kind of glasses are your favorite kind. Do you like the square, the oval, the aviator, and whatnot? Let me know what kind of shades that you like to wear. And as always, stay beautiful, stay unique, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!